In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove payment method from Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you are signed in, go to your account page. To do this, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the menu. This will open your main account overview. From here, scroll down until you find the Payments and Billing section. Look for the area where your saved payment cards are displayed. If the billing information does not appear immediately, give the page a moment to load. Once the saved payment cards are visible, find the card you want to remove. Click the card to open its details. If you have more than one payment card saved, make sure you select the correct card before continuing. After opening the card details, look for the option to remove the saved card. Depending on your region and the interface, this option may appear as a button or a link near the card information. Click the option to remove the saved card. Spotify may then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. Confirm the removal to continue. After you confirm, wait for the page to update. You may see a confirmation message, or the card may simply disappear from your list of saved payment methods. If the card is still showing after the removal is confirmed, refresh the page to update the view. Then, check the Saved Payment Cards section again to make sure the card has been removed. Removing a saved card does not cancel your Spotify Premium plan. It only removes that specific payment method from your account. If the card you removed was your only payment method, your subscription may pause at the next billing date unless another valid payment method is added before then. If you do not see a saved payment card section or an option to remove your payment method, your Spotify subscription may be billed through a third-party provider, such as a mobile carrier or an app store. In that case, you will need to manage your payment method through the provider that handles your subscription billing. And that's it. You've now removed a payment method from Spotify. Thank you for watching.